And welcome back, creators. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated biscuit joiners. When it comes to woodworking and joining 2 pieces of wood together, a biscuit joiner is a useful tool to have in your garage. This handy tool allows you to quickly cut slots in paired pieces of wood that can then be fitted with a biscuit to hold them securely together. Doing this takes a fraction of the time and effort that would take to achieve strong joints manually, making the best biscuit joiner the perfect tool for hobbyists and professionals alike. To help you find the best biscuit joiner for your woodworking, we have compiled a list of 7 top-rated biscuit joiners available on the market today. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the biscuit joiners that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you to make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first biscuit joiner on our list is the DEWALT Biscuit Joiner. The DEWALT Biscuit Joiner allows you to cut slots for holding biscuits with precision. It includes an easy-to-adjust fence, a heavy-duty non-marring shoe, and preset stops for all common biscuit sizes, so you can craft solid joints quickly and accurately. As for the size, it measures 15.8 by 6.4 by 6.8 inches and weighs 9.53 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT Biscuit Joiner a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 6.5 ampere and 10,000 revolutions per minute motor. It boasts a 6.5 ampere and 10,000 revolutions per minute motor that gives it the power to operate in the toughest woods. 45-degree locating notch. The 45-degree locating notch in the fence allows indexing off the outside surface of the miter joint. Dual rack and pinion fence. It has a dual rack and pinion fence that ensures the blade and fence always parallel for accurate joints every time. Heavy-duty non-marring aluminum shoe. The heavy-duty non-marring aluminum shoe enables clamping off the joiner for stationary operations. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's quite bulky, which could be a problem for some user. The second biscuit joiner in our list is the Makita Biscuit Joiner. The Makita Biscuit Joiner combines power and precision with ease-of-use features for strong and accurate biscuit joints for furniture making, cabinet construction, and fine woodworking applications. It measures 7.87 by 19.49 by 10.24 inches and weighs 11.88 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Makita Biscuit Joiner a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: powerful 11,000 revolutions per minute and a 5.6 ampere motor. It features a powerful 11,000 revolutions per minute and a 5.6 ampere motor for speedy and accurate cutting in a variety of woods. Vertical fence system with rack and pinion gearing. The vertical fence system with rack and pinion gearing is designed for precise fence adjustments. 6 depth settings with 1-touch stops. It has 6 depth settings with 1-touch stops for the most common biscuit sizes, including number 0, number 10, and number 20. Non-marring rubber inserts. The non-marring rubber inserts on the shoe are engineered to prevent material from slipping. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it is a bit heavy but more powerful than other biscuit joiners in this price range. The third biscuit joiner in our list is the WEN Biscuit Joiner. Remember when your boards line perfectly? Create joints of all shapes and sizes with a WEN plate and biscuit joiner. The stops are already set up to make slots for standard number 0, number 10, and number 20 biscuits, but they can also be changed manually for biscuits of different sizes. In terms of size, it measures 19.75 by 8.75 by 7.5 inches and weighs 11.68 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the WEN Biscuit Joiner a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: fence with variable height settings. It includes a fence that can be set between 0 to 90 degrees with variable height settings to accommodate projects of all shapes and sizes. Powerful 8.5 ampere motor. The powerful 8.5 ampere motor rotates the included 4-inch carbide tip blade at 10,000 revolutions per minute, making easy work out of even the hardest of woods. Hard plastic case. Its hard plastic case will make this joiner easy to transport and will help prevent accidental damage when not in use. Rubber grip and an oversized handle. The rubber grip and oversized handle provide a good amount of control, make it easy to perform accurate and precise cuts. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the holes are quite bigger than needed, but they still worked with a little extra glue. The fourth biscuit joiner in our list is the Gino Development Biscuit Joiner. For a budget-friendly price, it's hard for hobbyists to argue with this biscuit joiner from Gino development. The 1010-watt motor spins the included 4-inch diameter cutting blade at 11,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring that the joiner will get the job done quickly on nearly any type of wood you use it on. As for the size, it measures 19 by 6 by 7 inches and weighs 8.28 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Gino Development Biscuit Joiner a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: preset depth stops. The fence is highly adjustable and has preset depth stops for the 3 most common sizes of biscuits. Trigger. It has a trigger that requires moderate pressure to activate, which effectively prevents errors from turning it on too quickly. Dust bag. The dust bag works best by actually trapping a good amount of sawdust, as well as having a decent capacity. Hard tungsten carbide tip blade. It is equipped with a hard tungsten carbide tip blade that you can use to cut through any type of wood. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the deck doesn't have a racing mechanism like some of the more expensive models, but if you're planning to mostly use the cutter for standard boards, it'll work perfectly. The 5th biscuit joiner in our list is the REXBETI Biscuit Joiner. If you're in the woodworking business or enjoy making your own furniture at home, this REXBETI Biscuit Joiner is the right tool to make your life much easier. It has a powerful motor that spins at 10,000 revolutions per minute, allowing it to effortlessly cut through many harder wood types. In terms of size, it measures 19.15 by 6.85 by 6.3 inches and weighs 8.53 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the REXBETI Biscuit Joiner a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 4-inch blade. The 4-inch blade comes carbide tipped and is ideal for miter joints, corner joints, butt joints, and T-joints. Large, comfortable top grid D-handle and 3 adjustable fence positions. It has a large, comfortable top grid D-handle and 3 adjustable fence positions at 0, 45, and 90 degrees to make work easier. Dust extraction port and bag. The dust extraction port and bag are included so you can work safely without breathing in harmful sawdust and risking long-term lung damage. Angle knob. It has an angle knob that you can use to change the fence's angle and makes it easier to work miter to miter, edge to edge, and end to edge. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, you need to make sure to remove the safety lock screw before use. The 6th biscuit joiner in our list is the AOBEN Biscuit Joiner. Are you planning to make small cabinets for your shop or big built-ins for your house? If yes, then it's a safe bet that the AOBEN Biscuit Joiner will be your go-to tool. Nothing beats this product, as all your cabinet projects would sum up to just a few simple steps: cutting the slots in pieces, adding glue, inserting a biscuit and clamp, and you're done. As for the size, it measures 18.5 by 8.3 by 7 inches and weighs 10.96 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the AOBEN Biscuit Joiner a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: toolbox. It includes a toolbox so you can organize and put your machine's parts where they belong. Sawdust bag. The sawdust bag collects all the flying debris when the biscuit joiner is switched on. Anti-slip handle. It has an anti-slip handle that holds the tool without the worry of slipping out from your hand. Adjustable fence. The adjustable fence allows you to adjust the angle of the cut. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it takes a bit of time and practice to learn how to use it. The 7th biscuit joiner in our list is the VonHaus Biscuit Joiner. This tool will accurately cut adjoining holes for miter joints, T-joints, butt joints, and edge-to-edge or corner joints. It features preset stops for the most common biscuit sizes of 0, 10, and 20. In terms of size, it measures 18.82 by 7.87 by 6.54 inches and weighs 8.23 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the VonHaus Biscuit Joiner a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: adjustable tilt fence. The adjustable tilt fence can be locked in place at any angle between 0 and 90 degrees, making it ideal for inserting angled biscuits for miter joints. Suction function. It has a suction function that works while it's in use to keep the working space clean of flying debris, so you have the greatest possible view. M setting. There's an M setting which puts the tool in manual mode to allow you to cut to custom depths. Large top grade. It has a large top grade that gives you control over the tool. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the blade is fixed, but you can adjust the guide so you can change the height of the wood you cut into. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated biscuit joiners, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next biscuit joiner roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.